Hey, it's Ross. Cheddar, moolah, Benji's, bread, no matter what you call it, we know money's important to you. With that in mind, here's everything you need to know about billing on monday.com. First things first, only admins on an account can access and manage billing details, found within the administration menu here. The creator of the account is an admin by default, but they can always add more admins from the user management section. Just flip the drop-down on a team member. Alright, back to billing. As an admin, you can set up a contact to receive all billing-related events from the account. It can be a team member or even an external contact such as your accountant. Once you establish a billing contact, you can't remove them as the contact until you add another. Then it's easy. See details around your plan from this billing overview tab. Here you'll find your current plan's billing period, yearly or monthly, the date your plan will renew, and the sum you paid for your plan. Explore our budding suite of tailor-made WorkOS products to add to your account too. If you want to change your plan, just click here. Upgrading in the middle of a subscription will start a new billing cycle, and the unused balance of the current plan will be subtracted from the price of the new plan. Easy. Need to change billing details such as name and address? Do it under the Settings tab here. Depending on your country, you may also be able to change your VAT ID. And although we can't update details from past invoices, it is possible to apply the changes to all future invoices. Alright, if needed, you can change your payment method from here. These are the forms of payment we accept. Finally, you'll find all of your invoices and receipts here. Just click on the three-dot menu to open a PDF in a new tab. And that's it. If you need further help with billing or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to our rockstar customer support team. Bye for now. Click here for more helpful videos on all things monday.com.